Good morning, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Success with Velvet. I'm your host, Velvet. And on this channel, you guys are going to get videos that talk about how you can make money online, whether it's $5, $10, 15, 20, 25, 50, 100, 200. That's the type of income you guys can look to make if you keep up with my videos. Now, today we're going to be talking about a site called Prizerebel. And if you guys are interested in joining Prizerebel, I'll leave the link in the description below. But today is going to be a good video. Now, if you're new to the channel, I would like for you to like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Okay, as you guys can see, I have 589 points. And before I got those points, I was at 255 points, which is equivalent to $2.55. And right now, I have 589 points, which is $5.89. That means I can cash out $5 to my PayPal account. Now, when you guys when you first sign up with Prizerebel, you're going to be a bronze member. And that basically means you get 15% of what your referrals earn. You do not get your payment right away. You will get it within 24 hours if you are a bronze and silver member. If you're gold, platinum, or diamond, you will get your payment within 5-10 minutes. And when you're a silver member, you get 20% of your referral income earnings. When you're gold, you get 25%. When you're diamond, when you're platinum, you get 25%. When you're diamond, you get 30%. And you get from gold all the way up to diamond, you get your automatic payment processing, which means you get it within 5-10 minutes. Now, what I did today was I came on here and I did 2 trial offers that I only paid $2 in total. It was $1 each for each trial because they gave me the points I needed to get to be able to withdraw. Now, the 2 things that I do on this site are surveys and I do Hideout TV. The surveys I do are tap research and I watch Hideout TV. You guys can try out your surveys because I hear your surveys is one of the best ones. You just have to stay consistent. You have to consistently come on here and do your surveys. Because the more you do the surveys and the more consistent you are, the faster you'll complete them and get the points for the surveys. Now I'm going to take you over here and show you the rewards. These are all the rewards you guys can withdraw. You have Amazon, prepaid gift card, tons of other things, but right now we're going to focus on PayPal. Sorry if my computer's going slow right now. Okay, so as you can see, we have a PayPal custom amount, which basically means if you have $6 or more, you can come in here and enter the amount. In order to get $5 to PayPal, you need 500 points. In order to get $10 to PayPal, you need 1,000 points. In order to get $15 to PayPal, you need to earn 1,500 points. To get $20, you need 2,000 points. To get $50, you need 5,000 points. And to get $100, you need 10,000 points. Now let's see if it'll let me do a custom amount. So I'm going to go ahead and claim this. Because when you enter it, you got to put a decimal point after the number, after the 5, if it's $5, if it's $6. So it's going to claim 589 points, which is right here. But I'm going to go ahead and just take out $5 and leave 89 points in my account. So I'm going to claim this item, and I will be getting this payment within 5-10 minutes. So you see I have 89 points left, and this is processing right now. I'm going to get my $5 within 5-10 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to take you guys over to the site where you guys can sign up with Prizerebel. This is the website that you guys can, I will leave a link to this site in the description below. So you guys can come here and watch the video if you want to sign up with Prizerebel, if you want to sign up with Survey Junkie, branded surveys, and see swag bucks. The button will always be below on the left hand side, below the video. So just watch the video first, and then go ahead and join so you can know. I made a video on each of these to show you guys what swag, what it's about, and how you can earn points, and where you can go to earn points. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video, and I will be back momentarily to do a payment proof video showing you that I received the $5. Take care, you guys.